हैं। कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर की अगुवाई वाले ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन ने गुयाना में नेशनल असेंबली के अध्यक्ष मंजूर नादिर से मुलाकात की और भारत के आतंकवाद के प्रति जीरो टॉलरेंस की पॉलिसी पर चर्चा की। मुलाकात के बाद शशि थरूर ने कहा कि आतंकियों का मकसद भारत में हिंदुओं और मुस्लिमों के बीच सांप्रदायिक तनाव भड़काने का था, लेकिन वो कामयाब नहीं हो सका।
Certainly a desire on the part of the terrorists to provoke communal tensions in India between the Hindu and Muslim communities. That failed spectacularly. All communities rallied around in a very united manner. And what was again very effective was that in the briefings that the Indian government and the Indian military gave every day during these 4 days of conflict, 2 of the military officers doing the briefing were women officers, and one of them was a Muslim, which sent a very clear message to the world or anyone who was watching that this is not about Hindu, Muslim or anything like that. This is about terrorism and terrorist enablers versus democratic India.